All right, so the time is now 8 o'clock a.m. Monday morning. We're gonna be doing an all-day battery drain test with the OnePlus Pad. As you can see, we are now fully charged, 100% battery life. Let's go ahead and take this off the charger now. So taking a quick look at what my display settings are going to be like for today for this battery drain test. As you can see, I am using dark mode. The brightness of the display is currently at about, I would say, maybe 85–90%. I'll be keeping it between 75 and 100% throughout the day. The auto brightness is turned off. Eye comfort is off. The screen color mode is set to vivid. And then if I go down a little bit more, we got the image sharpener on. Video color boost is on as well. Auto screen off is at 10 minutes and that screen refresh rate is set to high. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, basically the way this works is I'll be using this OnePlus Pad all throughout the day, just as I normally would, maybe even a little bit heavier to really test out the battery. And then every so many hours, I'll be updating you all, letting you know what my usage has been like, what my screen on time is at that time, and what our battery percentage is at that time as well. This is running that MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset, along with a 9510 milliamp battery. So with those two paired, let's see what this OnePlus Pad can do. I'll catch up with you all in another few hours. Let's go ahead and get our day started. Okay, so a few hours has passed and check this out. I'm actually using the OnePlus Pad to edit the video that you guys are watching right now. At least that first portion that you've already watched, and then I will continue to be editing this video on this tablet right here. And it's been handling it well so far, at least that whole intro part. And it is just nice being able to edit on a big screen like this, because if you've been following the channel for a while, you'll know that I edit all of my videos on my smartphone, which is of course a smaller display, but being able to edit on a bigger display like this on this tablet is just great. It makes the experience that much better. But as you can see, it is now 12:02 p.m. So about 4 hours later since we've taken this tablet off of the charger, and we are now at 77% battery life left, as you can see right there. So not doing too bad so far. Let's go ahead and go into my battery settings here. Let's go down to battery. Now the way this works is up here, it's going to give me the last 24 hours of usage. So it's kind of, I kind of wish they would start it right when I take the tablet off of the charger, kind of like Samsung devices do. As soon as you take the device off of the charger, that's when the graph will show. But it's still showing me usage from 12 p.m. yesterday. And I tried my best not to use this tablet yesterday. So when we did look at my usage for today, it wouldn't really show anything from yesterday, but there are a few things which I will go over here in a bit. But what I do like is that it does show used since last charge down here, and the screen on since last charge. So that's good, because at least it's giving me the screen on time since the last charge, which is right now at 2 hours and 35 minutes. Now we do gotta take into account when I am watching videos or listening to music, the sound is being used, the speakers are being used, which does use up some battery life as well. So we gotta keep in mind that screen on time is not everything. But let's go into my battery usage by app here. As you can see, I have some games here. I was actually using these past few hours to download games, get some games started for my gaming video that I'm going to be doing with this OnePlus Pad right here. So as you can see, we got some Dragon Ball Legends, the Google Play Store, where I was downloading and looking for games, Pokemon Unite, YouTube, Mario Kart, Fortnite, KineMaster, which is the app that I use to edit my videos, which I just showed you guys, the system launcher, some Asphalt 9, the Chrome browser, Google Play Services, Epic Game Store. Now that is what I actually used last night. So that is not part of today's usage. I have not used the Epic's Game Store, but as the time goes on throughout the day, that should fall off once we've completed that full 24 hours. Package installer. I did use a little bit of YouTube Studio today, just checking up on some comments and seeing how some videos are performing, and then the OnePlus Store as well. So my usage has pretty much been mostly the games this morning, just getting everything started. And it's actually been handling the games pretty okay. But yeah, so this is what my usage has been like so far this morning over the past 4 hours. Again, the 12 is 12:05 p.m. We're at 77% battery life. Now, maybe I'll take these next few hours to do some different tasks, like maybe watch more videos on YouTube, maybe Disney Plus, watch a little bit more content, maybe jot down some notes, maybe use more of the browser, just do a little bit more than just a gaming. But there we are. I will see you all in another few hours. Okay, so the time is now 4:07 p.m. Back again with another update about another 4 hours later. And as you can see, this time I do have the keyboard connected to the OnePlus tab, and I am also using the OnePlus stylo. Two very nice attachments. And the cool thing about the stylo is it actually sticks up there magnetically just like that, and it charges wirelessly. As you can see, the little notification popped up to let us know that it is charging. But the thing about this keyboard down here, it is a nice keyboard. It does feel good. The only thing that I wish was different about it is that it could be, if it could be just a little bit further away from the screen, maybe if there was a little bit more space right here, because sometimes when typing with these upper letters up here or the numbers, I find myself to accidentally touch the actual display itself. That might be my only one complaint with this keyboard right here. But other than that, two very nice attachments. But let's go ahead and get into my usage here. We are currently at 45% battery life left. Let's go into my battery settings here, battery, and here we are. So used since last charge, 8 hours and 6 minutes. We are at 5 hours and 47 minutes of screen on time with 45% battery life left. Now, not doing too bad. Now, keep in mind, even though this does have a very large battery, it's also powering a very large, vibrant display at 144 Hertz. So that's definitely going to use up some battery life there. But let's go ahead and go into my battery usage. So as you can see, these have been the apps that I have been using lately. A little bit more Dragon Ball Legends there. YouTube, I did use a little bit more YouTube, Google Play Store, some more KineMaster, just editing more of the video. Got some Disney Plus there, Gmail, a little bit Fortnite, Mario Kart's the same as before, a little bit more Twitter, Chrome browser, a little bit of the camera, just kind of testing that out a little bit. Got some notes there, just kind of jotting down some notes, some bullet points for future videos I have coming up. We got Best Buy, Amazon shopping, a little bit of OfferUp, YouTube Studio. And yeah, so this has basically been my usage for the day. And if you want to look at how long I've been using these apps or how long I did use them, if I click on use time up here, as you can see there, it will pop up. So if I scroll down here to the apps I have been using, like YouTube was used for 2 hours and 14 minutes. Dragon Ball Legends, I did play that for an hour and 34 seconds. Pokemon Unite, 36 minutes. KineMaster, 35 minutes of 4K video editing. So keep that in mind as well. Disney Plus, 32 minutes. Fortnite, 19 minutes. Mario Kart Asphalt 9, 11 minutes. Notes, 6 minutes. Best Buy, 6 minutes. So it does give us a breakdown of how long we've actually been using these apps right here. So that's actually kind of a nice touch when it comes to looking at our battery usage here. But overall, I personally don't think we're doing too bad here. Again, 44% battery life left to get us through the day. We are at 4:10 p.m. Took it off the charger at 8 a.m. this morning. I'm going to continue using this and see how much further we can get. I will update you all in another few hours. Okay, so I am back. We have made our way to the end. As you can see here, we are at 4% battery life left on the OnePlus Pad. I didn't want to let it get any lower than that. That way I can be able to show you what my final usage and final screen on time is. As you can see, it is now 9:32 p.m. We did take this off the charger at 8 a.m. this morning, and I can pretty much say that this can easily be a 2-day tablet when it comes to battery life, because you know, for most people, tablets are basically just used for entertainment purposes. You know, most of us, we do everything on our smartphones unless we do want to, you know, use a bigger screen for specific things, whether it be for watching content or playing games. But if you are going to be using this for work, then yeah, that's when the battery might die down a little faster. But most people aren't going to use their tablet as much as I used this today. That's why I'm kind of saying, you know, this can pretty much be a 2-day tablet. But after using this for some time now, this tablet is just, it is super smooth. You got that 144 Hertz display. It has just been a super smooth experience. But let's go ahead and jump in here to my battery settings. Now do keep in mind that everybody's usage is different. Not everyone will get the same results as me. This is just to give you an idea of what battery life is like on this tablet right here. So our final screen on time is 8 hours and 47 minutes. Just to give you a quick close-up here, 8 hours and 47 minutes, as you can see there. And I can probably get it to 9 hours of screen on time with that 4% battery life we have left. And then of course, this does have that super fast, super Vook charging, which is going to charge your tablet up nice and fast. And again, this is over a 9,000 milliamp battery. So this is what my final usage is for the day. So you can see did a lot more YouTubing, Dragon Ball Legends, Chrome, Kind Master, Mario Karts, play some Mario Karts there, Disney Plus, Gmail, Pokemon Unite, Twitter, Fortnite, Call of Duty, Epidemic Sound, just looking for some music for the channel here, Asphalt 9, camera, notes, Best Buy, Netflix, and yeah, this is pretty much what my usage has been like for today. And if we want to look at the times of how long I used some of these apps for, YouTube 2 hours and 32 minutes, Dragon Ball Legends still an hour there. I didn't really touch that anymore today, but Mario Karts played that for about 33 minutes, did some more 4K video editing there, 47 minutes with Kind Master. And yeah, so this has been my usage for the day. And honestly, I think battery life is pretty good on this OnePlus pad right here. It's definitely going to get you through a full entire day. And like I said, for a lot of people, it might even get you to 2 days or maybe even 3 days if you're someone who hardly uses your tablet and just takes it out when you do want that bigger screen experience here and there. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. I hope this video was able to help somebody out. Maybe battery life was going to be your deciding factor on whether or not you should get this tablet right here. And as you can see, it's definitely going to get you through an entire day, even if you are someone who uses your tablet all day long with some very heavy usage. And like I said, my brightness was anywhere between 75% and almost 100% throughout the day. But again, let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.